Charging your electric vehicle should be easy, safe, and simple. And now it is, thanks to the new e-LightED charger. An easy-to-use, easy-to-install charger with powerful performance for faster charging of your electric vehicle at home. With the e-LightED charger, you can charge your car from your mobile or smart device via Wi-Fi using the app. Thanks to its adjustable charging power, you can modify the maximum power depending on the time. Schedule and manage your charging sessions to maximize efficiency and save energy. Suitable for indoor or covered outdoor areas such as garages, underground car parks, apartment blocks, hotel car parks, and other areas where an electric vehicle charging station may be suitable. If you want to know how the e-LightED charger works, stay tuned for our next video.